All right, I guess we got a dilapidated old church theme going on here. So let me take the occasion to talk about dilapidated doctrine and how our faith is crumbling in the United States and our numbers are down in our churches. You people who think that religion is ridiculous and that God doesn't exist, I wonder if you've ever opened up a book and looked at the black and white, the black letters on the white pages. All knowledge has come from man's desire to express what he sees. Some of the greatest and most powerful themes around the cultures of the world have been the wonder of creation that we are in, our state of being. So you owe your ability to read and write to religion, whether you want to acknowledge it or not. In fact, your discipline that you have, in your professional career is due to people of faith. People who took the time to assemble alphabets and laws, basic society.